So initially our model was to set these equipments in IT parks malls. So we worked with one of the IT parks in Outer Ring Road. We wanted to set up an equipment there. We told we are going to sell this equipment to you. You can buy, and this is a complex equipment. People could not trust that the system will work, and they had a feeling that next 3 months this will fail. So companies did not want to invest on the equipment. So we did the investment, took too much risk that time, and then we put the investment on the capital to the IT park, and then we said we will supply water to you. Instead of buying water from somewhere else, we will supply water. We will charge on per liter basis. We will set up the system in your place. You give your treated wastewater. I will get it to a quality where you can use it for cooling tower, use it for your fountains. It will be high quality. And it worked for us. So we went and invested.
So they signed a volume deal with you. They buy
per day, 1 lakh liters, they said they will buy. We went and set up an equipment. That was the first IT park way. Before that, we in one of the layouts which we installed the equipment, the layout did not even use the STP treated water for garden also. They said kids are playing in the garden, I can't use. Wow. And they were sending all the treated water to the drain, and then there is a pond which does not have water, and they are buying tanker. And they said, if you want to do anything, I can give you STP treated water. So they invested half. We invested half in the first project. Then that's where we set up a proper equipment. Then we took it for 3 years for consistent working until the commercials worked out. Then I moved to the IT park. So IT park, we said we'll sell it to you, but they were not ready to buy. We did the investment.
Sell the product.
Sell the product. They did not want the product. So we said we will do the water sale. Then coincidentally, that worked really well for us. The recovery was faster. We were able to clearly monitor the data from the system, and we had more control on the system. We started with 1 manpower for 3 shifts. Slowly we understood that not required, how to automate things, and we did not have manpower. Weekly 1 visit was sufficient. We optimized the cost, made it profitable, and then that model started working. So we did for IT parks, few of these projects, few malls we did, and then 1 IT park, few malls.
And here the interesting thing, I mean, we sort of, in the software world, we are trying to move towards products, right? But here, ultimately, your real product is the water. Everything else is some intermediate thing, right? So you're going from saying, I guess then the innovation is, too many people have been sold many products, right? Every single new apartment that comes up, the builder will put some sewage treatment plant. Half of them will not work for long. And so people have burnt their hands a lot when it comes to buying various kinds of technologies. So you're saying, no, I'll keep the technology, you just buy the water.
Correct. So we moved from product to water as service, meaning we give water just like a water utility. Our focus moved from selling products to being a water utility company. We want to supply water. Don't want to do technology, patent, all this is behind. You want highest quality water, we'll give you highest quality water. You want it at this point, we'll put a meter, whatever comes out, for that volume we pay. You agree on a minimum volume, you can't buy 1 liter and ask, you agree on a minimum volume, we will put the equipment similar to that, and then we keep charging on monthly, all maintenance, everything is on us. So we started supplying it to IT Park. So that worked for them also, because they already had a complex treatment plant. They said we have put softener earlier, we have put RO earlier, it didn't work. You want to try, you try. Because they've done it all earlier and didn't work, because the complexity of maintaining such a system after an STP is too huge. If you don't have right kind of sensors, right kind of monitoring, it will fail.
And that doesn't need to be their expertise, right? I mean, if they're a business park, let them manage the logistics of running a business park. If you're a software company sitting there, you should do your software.
Correct.
Right? You shouldn't have to worry about how to run your sewage treatment plant.
Correct. We were fortunate, we got the right customers in the start who got this captive, we call it captive, where the treated water from us is used by them for their cooling tower. So if you use non-treated direct STP water, bad water, from the cooling tower, there is like water aerosols go out. This Legionella bacteria, they had to shut down few cooling towers in the US. In India, it is not studied well. So things like that, people who are aware took this as an important step and then implemented this. So IT parks and captive, which we got, had all these issues addressed in the building with our equipment. So that is our starting point. So we did it for IT parks, malls, all that.